up strong. Even when everything felt so wrong. No clothes for them, no shoes to wear. A father alive, but he's never there. I call for help, it turns to a fight. Insults and pain every single night. I'm tired, but I don't fall. Even when no one hears my call. Through the tears, I hide my pain for my children.